Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Save. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram notes if it's not working. So first of all, open your mobile phone and open your Instagram application. Now as you can see, I wrote a small note here on my Instagram note. Now if it is not working for you or it's not showing for you, then go to your profile, click on this 3-line bar that is on top right corner and go to settings and scroll down a little bit and go to messages and story replies and go to show activity status. As you can see, your show activity status should be on, then only it will be working. Now after that, go to your notes again, and as you can see, my notes are saved with followers that I follow back. So here should be also the same thing. And even after that it is not working, go to your Play Store or go to your App Store and search in Instagram like this, and as you can see here, my Instagram is on the latest update. And if it is still not working, then you should just restart your mobile phone, and after that your Instagram notes will be working all fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.